In a candid interview to Times Now, Editor-in-Chief Arnab Goswami, Justice Verma talks about the suggestions made by the Justice Verma Committee report, says that if the government is serious and committed to reducing crimes against women in the country, it should bring an ordinance on some of the recommendations made by them as soon as possible.
Justice Verma, not just for your report, but for your integrity and for the values that you stood by. You are today a towering personality in our public life. My question to you is, this report, which has inspired so many readers, viewers, it cannot be locked away in a cupboard somewhere. It has to be acted upon. If this report does not become a law quickly, don't you think this will be a lost opportunity for the people of this country, not just for now, but for a long time? This can't be one of those reports. What do you want to be done with this report?
Well, I would say that many things which we have said, there can't be two opinions. I can understand for a few, for example, the last one which you said, well, there may be debate, people would consider, fine. They need more time to see whether that is feasible or not. But there are many things which we have said, which have been talked of for quite some time, and there are no two opinions. Now, where is the difficulty in promulgating an ordinance to implement them straight away? Because that's not something which need to await a debate in the parliament and ordinance issuing.
Give me a few basic parts of your report which you think can be immediately taken as part of an ordinance.
Now, for example, the definition of rape.
Yes.
I mean, those parts which really were also they have been debated and considered in one house of the parliament, all right. I'm just giving you one example. Now everyone, I don't think anyone will dispute that the rape, which is the last act, is not the beginning point. It is the end point of what starts with, you see, what was earlier called eve teasing, which we have given other names, because etc., etc. Now those are things. Sexual harassment, the Vishaka judgment came on 13th of August 1997. They have been drafting a bill for such a long time. Now we have actually redrafted and given suggestions. Go through them and whatever, because no one can say that nothing in our recommendations can will be.
So you want this to be pushed through in the form of an ordinance?
That which does not need any further debate. Let them decide. I don't mind.
In this session of parliament?
See, ordinance can be issued even before the parliament. You see, ordinance
any time it can be issued tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow. You see, therefore, I would not like to delineate that area or identify particular things, because leave it to them. It is their job. But I don't think anyone can say that nothing in this report can go through unless debated in parliament. So those things which can be made law without being debated in the parliament, why not an ordinance? That will also show the bona fides, and not only that, that will show the credibility of the institutions of governance, and I am sure that will give more assurance to the modern youth, who are the biggest stakeholders, and the mood I see of this modern youth, well, they won't let it be buried like many others.